In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a clickable link in your TikTok bio so that people can easily visit your website, YouTube channel, or any other page you want to share. It's super simple, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open up your TikTok app. You can do this on both iPhone and Android. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see your username, bio, and a few options below it. What we need to do is tap on Edit Profile. Inside here, you might already see sections for Instagram and YouTube links. If you just want to link one of those, simply tap on it and log into your account. TikTok will automatically connect it for you. But if you want to add a custom clickable website link, like your online store, portfolio, or affiliate link, you'll need to switch to a business account. Don't worry, this is free and takes less than a minute. So, go back to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. Now choose Account, and then switch to Business Account. TikTok will ask you to select a category. It doesn't matter too much, so you can just pick something general, like personal blog or services. Tap Next and skip any extra setup screens that pop up. Once you've switched, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile again. Now you should see an option that says Website. Tap on it, and here you can paste any link you want. For example, your YouTube channel, Shopify store, Linktree, or personal website. Hit Save, and boom, your clickable link is now visible on your TikTok profile. If you've done all this and still don't see the website option, don't worry. The last thing you should try is updating your TikTok app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and if you see an Update button, tap it. Once updated, reopen the app and check again. And that's it. You now know how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio in just a few minutes.